Hey there, in today's video I want to talk about 3 of the most popular ways for beginners to get started online and outline the pros and cons of each one and tell you which one I believe is the absolute best one for anyone starting an online business. And in addition to this, towards the end of the video, I will reveal 2 of the biggest mistakes beginners tend to make and how you can avoid this. Now, very quickly before we move on to today's topic, I would like to quickly welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. And affiliate marketing is certainly my favourite way to make money online. Why? Well, quite simply, with affiliate marketing, you're promoting someone else's product and collecting a commission every time someone makes a sale. In my opinion, it's the best method to make money online, no matter what your level of experience. So I've created this channel to pass on useful information for new and struggling affiliates. One thing I do promise is that my videos will be short and to the point. I know your time is valuable, and for this reason I will not waffle on. I promise to make my videos short, but I will try and be helpful to those of you who are new or struggling to see success as an affiliate. So be sure to hit the like button if you enjoyed today's video. And also, please do subscribe to my channel. When you hit the subscribe button, you'll see a bell symbol. There will be 3 options that you can click. Make sure you click where it says all. This will turn on your notifications, so YouTube will let you know whenever I post a new video. Okay, let's move on to today's topic. The best way for beginners to get started online, and 2 of the biggest mistakes most beginners make. There are a number of options available for a beginner looking for ways to make money online, but 3 of the most popular business models are Amazon FBA, dropshipping, and affiliate marketing. So let's just run through these 3 models. First of all, Amazon FBA. This is very similar to dropshipping in that you will also be selling items through a third party, but in this instance the third party will be Amazon. There are a number of problems here. You have to pre-buy everything you plan to sell in bulk, which means there are high upfront costs. You need to ship everything to an Amazon warehouse, and there are storage fees involved, all adding to your costs. You are competing against big names. Now, all these reasons mean Amazon FBA is not really very beginner friendly. The second option is dropshipping, which is basically selling items through a third party who ship the items to your customer. You basically earn the difference in value between what you charge the customer and what you get charged by the third party. It all sounds good in practice, but there's a lot of work involved, especially for a beginner. You need to build a website and optimize it with a number of different apps. You need to find a reliable supplier. There are fulfillment fees to take into consideration, and dropshipping can be very competitive. All in all, there's a lot to take on board for someone who's new to all this. Now, the third and final option is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is promoting someone else's product, and when someone buys, you get paid a commission. With this model, you do not need to build a website. You don't need to create your own product. Here, you will leverage someone else's hard work by promoting their products. This model is low cost and low risk when you compare it to many businesses, as you have no upfront costs for products, employees, rent, etc. It's easy to scale your business as you can promote products from various businesses and earn commissions from all of them. And you avoid many of the hassles that most businesses face, such as customer service, shipping and returns, which are all taken care of by the business whose products you choose to promote. As an affiliate marketer, you promote a product or products and get paid a commission. Basically, as an affiliate marketer, you are quite simply putting people in front of items they already want, and when they end up buying, you get paid a commission. Affiliate marketing is a simple model, and for this reason, it's the easiest and fastest way for a beginner to get started making money online. So in my opinion, affiliate marketing is a simple model and best for beginners looking for a way to make money online. Now, as I promised, I want to talk about 2 mistakes that most beginners make when getting started online. Okay, so now we're going to talk about the 2 mistakes that most beginners make when starting online. The first mistake is jumping from one business to another. All this does is waste valuable time. Choose the business model you want to follow and stick with it until you see some success. The second mistake is not staying focused. Most people when starting out try and do too many things at once. Focus on one thing at a time, and when you have achieved your aim, move on to the next task. As you now know, there are various ways for a beginner to make money online, and I have covered 3 of the most popular choices in today's video. I highly recommend you choose one model and stick with it, and for the reasons outlined in this video, I believe affiliate marketing is the best choice for a beginner. So all you need to do now is get started. Now, if you click the link in my description just below this video, you'll be able to register for a free online training video where my partner, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will reveal the 4 steps you need to follow to grow a profitable affiliate business. I strongly advise you take a look at this video. It's free, there's no cost. All you need to do is click the link below this video and register for the free training video. By watching this free online video, you'll know the 4 key steps you need to learn and apply to become a successful affiliate. This information alone will save you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars in wasted money and many hours of wasted time. Now, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And don't forget to look below in my description and click the link and register for the free training video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the button where it says subscribe, then clicking the bell symbol and then clicking where it says all. This will turn on your notifications so YouTube will notify you when I release a new video. Thank you.